but you know, our focus here is, you know, certainly on animals and dogs and cats, but equally, if not more, focused on people. You know, as I talk to my staff regularly that I think our first focus is to make sure that we take care of the people through helping their pets, and that may sound a little confusing to some people, but I think that our obligation is to provide the best care that we can for people's pets within the requirements, the expectations, and the means that those individual clients have. And I think we do a really good job of that, of caring the best that we can for animals, you know, with what basically the people are able to invest, both monetarily and emotionally. Let's face it, especially in these economic times, some people just don't have thousands and thousands of dollars to invest into a pet. And I think it's our job to find the best care we can that fits within that budget that the people can bring to us. Certainly there's always more that can be done, and always more that can be recommended. Is that always necessary, you know, to provide the level of care? Not always. There's a lot of times that we can provide really quality care and not have to roll out that red carpet, so to speak, and run the latest and greatest diagnostics, and ultimately you know, pass along a considerable expense to owners that in a lot of cases just isn't necessary. So we try to put the client's needs, you know, first and foremost, and find a protocol, find a treatment, find a therapy that works best for that pet in that given situation. You know, that we try to tailor fit each case for those particular pet owners. And that's why we try to have our little slogan, our little motto is, you know, caring for people who care for pets. And I think it's important that we do that and that we present that to the public. It's an interesting tidbit of a detail that each veterinarian, when they graduate, we're required to say the veterinary oath, and that oath requires us to state that our first commitment is to the community through the caring of animals. And some people may think that's antiquated and it's of historic significance, but I think that there's an awful big part of our population that would put a chicken's well-being above our neighbors. So I choose not to think that way, and I choose to care for people, you know, by providing the best care that I can for their pets.